Here's wishing all the viewers of Book My TV a very, very, very happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy. So I think Valentine's Day is all about love, and I love sleeping, so I'm gonna sleep the whole day. I was working since I was very young, and I think अभी भी मेरा बचपन चल रहा है, so it's very hard to comment on Valentine's Day. There's no such change. It's looking at lovers every Valentine's Day, and I think it's gonna be the same even this year. Had a crush on anyone. I usually liked the Bollywood actors, and actually, you know what? I really liked very weird people from Bollywood. If I name it, you'll be laughing. So those are Paresh Rawal, Boman Irani, Naziruddin Shah, because they're great actors. So I really like them, but obviously I don't have a crush on them. He should be funny, like entertaining. The personality should be very nice. The way he carries himself should be very nice. He should be very confident. So 3. 4th should have a very nice dressing sense, and 5th should smell good, I think. Yeah. Recently, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has become my most favorite. I really like this story. I think it's very connecting to the audience, not me though. So there's a friend of mine who keeps on, just passing very random pickup lines. And it's not for someone, it's just that he keeps practicing for somebody else. Like, if someone comes tomorrow, so how will he go and approach her? So I think there are a lot of stupid pickup lines. I actually have a good big folder of him in my laptop and his pickup lines. I just can't think of one though. I am the STD in a stud. All I need is you to become the STUD. It's the most pakau, creepiest pickup line, but yeah, that is all I have for now. No, I've always been like a girl who's against this, and I used to, in school also, I used to, like whack all the boys. I was like a complete boy. So I think girls should come and propose me. I've never got a very, like a romantic proposal. All I used to get proposals was from the Truth and Dare game. And in that Dare, people used to come and approach and all that nonsense. Ranbir Kapoor. Actually, I'm the wrong person to ask this to. But I would just say that... just love each other and just be happy always. Just don't let your ego come in between, and always love each other no matter what happens. And you should always think about the time you all met, and you all should always, keep your memories together, and just be happy forever and ever and ever. And don't, just break your relation for something very stupid.